my creative professional friends and family. It's been a minute. It's good to see you again. We're making livings online. We're making art in our communities. And it's good to be back after the summer. Hi, friends. I'm Caroline Cole. Welcome back to September 2023, the business of storytelling. As I've mentioned, we've been on a little hiatus for the summer while I was teaching the summer voiceover intensive, Start Speaking Springboard. I think it's time to talk about vocal care. There's nothing like summer to make you really think about your voice, going on vacation, talking with friends a lot. But our voice is our moneymaker, y'all. So we can't just leave it to the side. We have to treat it like an Olympic athlete, give it that all-star treatment. So if you're like me and maybe you've been having a little bit of fun this summer, maybe you've had a little too much party, but it's maybe time to take your voice to the spa and get it in shape for the studio. This is a particular struggle of mine. I struggle with my vocal health, and I've spent some time in vocal therapy and time figuring out what affects my voice particularly. So I have some recommendations that I've put together for this video for top vocal performance I've picked up over the years. So let's go. Número uno, prioridad es hydration. My Spanish is not that good, but it's your first priority, hydration. Lots of water, lots of water. And minimal to no things that dehydrate the voice, right? You want to minimize, stay away from things like alcohol, smoking, other forms of nicotine, caffeine, certain medicines like antihistamines. All of these dry out the voice and it leads to hoarseness and mouth noise, neither of which are really fun to deal with behind the mic. So listen to me. I'm not saying quit all the fun things and lose all your vices immediately cold turkey. Just be kind to yourself and keep in mind that consumption of those sorts of dehydrating things will affect your voice. So make sure that you're balancing all that out and hydrating as much as you can. Second, rest. The voice needs to rest just like the rest of the body. Get good sleep, of course. That's what we would recommend to anyone. And beyond that, you want to monitor your voice use throughout the day and behind the booth. For instance, I had a voice therapist years ago tell me that about the right ratio is about 45 to 50 minutes of speaking for every 10 to 15 minutes of vocal rest. So when you're recording a lot or when you're spending a lot of time with friends, really be specific when you're having to talk a lot, family reunions, I don't know, these are things that happen to me. You want to make sure you're taking breaks, drinking water, keeping your voice balanced. And if your voice and all of that needs a little extra pampering, then I recommend my favorite vocal care tip, and it is massage. There's nothing like a well-earned or completely unearned, because who says you have to earn it, okay? You deserve any sort of face and neck massage. We spent a lot of time doing this summer in our vocal care weekly sort of meetups, and how these muscles around the voice are behaving really affects how you speak, I promise. So we're gonna try it just for a moment. I haven't done this today, so I'm just gonna do a little bit of massage and release that jaw. Just get into the neck a little bit, kind of pinching these muscles. It's not a long one. Little tiny massage of these neck muscles. And honestly, like just after that, I don't know if you can hear it, but I can already hear the difference in my voice. Go back a few seconds ago and literally listen to my voice one after the other. How these muscles around the voice are behaving really affects how you speak, I promise. I sound more open now. And I did that kind of on purpose so we could hear the difference. So just releasing these muscles, it really brings a lot more range and versatility to your voice. So remember those three. We're gonna hydrate and stay away from dehydration as much as we humanly can. We're gonna rest our voice, not just when we're sleeping, but mindfully throughout the day as well. And we're gonna indulge in some, neck and face massage to really let ourselves not tense up, bring tension to our vocal instrument. So everyone, thank you so much for being here. Thanks for tuning into the business of storytelling. It's good to be back. I'm Caroline Cole. I'm so grateful for each and every one of you. While I am gonna start posting every other week this fall, we're going with a little bit different schedule to see if I can use my time the best and really get to message you guys when you email me individually. Make sure you're on that email list, carolinecolestories.com/freebies. And that gives you a working download to help start your voiceover business. It's a really helpful checklist. And I'm always here via email, via Instagram at Caroline Cole Stories. Make sure you're liking, commenting, and subscribing here. I love getting to know you all. It's really fun to build this community just across the voiceover interwebs. I'll see you soon.